Hi, this is Heidi from StoneGnome.com. I want to show you how you can avoid an ugly knot in the beginning of your work. I actually posted about this on my blog last year, but I didn't make a video at that time. Here I have this sample where you can see the knot. Sometimes it can be difficult to hide later when you sew in ends. The trick is to know that this knot is not necessary. You start as usual by making a slip knot. You just don't tighten it, keep it loose. You count this as your first chain. Now continue with your row of chains. Now when you go back, you can hook into the chains as you prefer. And some like to do it in the center, so I'll show that first. Now I have reached the slip knot, and I just hook into the center here too, just like this. Yep, and then I can tighten it. It doesn't give you an ugly bump here, at least not one that is sticking out. If you prefer to hook into the back bumps of the chains, you can do that too. You do the same. And this of course also works with Tunisian crochet, where I also prefer to use the back bumps of the chains. See, when you reach the slip knot, it's pretty similar to a chain. You even have a bump here. So I hook into that one. And then I decide how much I want to pull, how much I want to tighten it. I don't want it to be too tight here. And this slip knot will not unravel while you work. Don't worry about that. It is still a slip knot. You just count it as a chain and you use it. And it isn't tight in the beginning. You choose how much you want to tighten it before you sew in the ends here. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, I would love a like and share. And you can subscribe here if you want to see more videos about crochet. You can come visit my blog to see more tips and tricks too. Thank you very much.